So yes, initially I'll be speaking on what should be your confidence levels, everything, a student mindset on the examination day. I hope you are just 1 or 2 days before the NEET examination, a little bit tensed, little bit confused. We have done this much of syllabus, not revised a few of its part, and practiced a few, not practiced a few. This might be the mindset, but all of you land on to this level ki yes, we have whatever we have learnt enough. Okay, be that confident. Okay, whatever you have learnt enough. Okay, and confidence is the key here. Whenever you are writing the examination, if you are confident enough, you will go through the questions positively. If there is at any corner you are feeling doubtful with any question, might be with any concept, might be, if you are feeling doubtful, will not confidently face that question. Okay, so the first and foremost thing which I believe and I tell you is be confident on the day of exam. Okay, whatever you have learnt, it is not that what you have learnt in this crash course or in the 2 years, whatever you have known with the subject, whatever you have practiced, whatever you have perceived, you are going to present that day. Okay, so how calm you are, that positively you will write the exam. Second point is, I hope you are aware on the dress code and what are the credentials you have to carry to the examination. What should be the dress code? Light colors. It is better if you are wearing an unprinted t-shirt and the loose pant, cotton pant will be comfortable, and no shoes are allowed, no metal accessories, no watch and all. You have to be as plain and as simple. Okay, a transparent water bottle and a pen, admit card and your photocopy. Okay, sirs will be explaining you in more detailed way, but passport size photo carry 2 or more. Okay, that will be good for you, and I suggest you to carry all this in a transparent cover so that it will not get wet. Okay, so this is what I'd like to say. When it comes to my subject, that is botany, all the chapters which I have taught you, okay, except core zoology chapters, all the chapters which I have taught you, at this last moment, don't go for any fresh concept. Don't go for any fresh concept. Whichever chapters you are aware of, whichever concepts you are aware of, just revise it at 2x speed. Okay, and whichever questions you have already practiced, the test series you have faced here, do it once more. Just revise it onto your comfortable pace, again not a stressful mode. Okay, so this is what I'd like to suggest. And 1 hour before examination, in front of the examination halls, I don't suggest you to open the books and mugging up, reading up something, not required. Okay, 1 hour before, close everything, be as relaxed as you are. Okay, this is from my end. Yeah, eat light food. Don't have heavy biryanis and all overnight and early in the morning. After examination, it is your wish. Yeah, sleep well. Okay, that's all. And drink water, adequate water. Yeah, no metal accessories allowed. Okay, no metal accessories, no rings, bangles, earrings, nothing. Okay, that's all from my end, and you can now sirs will take over.
See, first of all, have you downloaded the admit card? So just go to the complete instructions given in the admit card. Okay, so if you see what is the exam time, 2 to 5, right? So try to report at least by 12:30. Okay, after 1:30 they won't allow. Okay, by at least 12:30 you report. Sometimes, for example, in Hyderabad city, if I talk, there will be multiple branches for one particular college. You might be missing and going to the other street branch instead of your original. So this will be the most happening scenario if you observe. Okay, so please try to avoid that. So that's why try to go at early time, or at least confirm your branch, I mean your exam center, 1 day before the exam. Okay, that's it. One thing is that. See, reach at least by 12:30. And one more thing, for those who are going with religious attire, for example, some Muslim candidates may go with some burqa, hijab, something like that, na? So that is allowed, but they should report at least by some early time. It means by 12:30 is fine. Okay, this is the main thing to be remembered. Okay, and any other religious students also who are going in the religious attire, please try to report there and try to cooperate with the that like inspection or security persons, whoever doing there. Okay, this is the main thing. The next thing, what are the things to carry to the exam? First thing is your admit card, color print. Next, original ID proof. Better to take Aadhaar card, updated one. Okay, and then next, multiple passport size photos like 2 3, and it is better if you take same photo. Means whatever you have given during your filling, take the same ID card, same what is it, passport size photo. Next, transparent water bottle and also a pen. Okay, take multiple pens, it is better. Okay, then next, do not carry your mobile phone or any watch. Okay, so calculator, any notes, nothing. Okay, even if you carry, just submit there before entering into the hall itself. Okay, to your parents, brothers, whoever coming with you. Okay, the next, dress code. So it should be half sleeves, especially for boys also it should be half sleeves, like it can be shirt or t-shirt, but it should be a half sleeve. And one more thing, don't wear that baggy pants with multiple pockets, like there will be multiple pockets with no tone jeans or that buttons, metallic buttons will be there, no, don't wear that. Okay, simple, you can go with your that normal track pant will be there, no. Okay, it should be like simple. Then next, go with slippers only, no heels or nothing, no closed shoes or nothing like that. Okay, simple slippers. Okay, the next, you're like some are having sight right now, so don't take that big frames one, take a simple normal specs. Okay, then next, I told you about this hijab and burqa and all these things. Okay, next, so last minute tips what I can suggest you is revise only that formula sheet that you have made. Okay, for each subject, don't go with anything new. Okay, then next, be calm with yourself, no new topics. Okay, and take a good sleep first of all. Okay, and for the next 2 days, don't eat any heavy food, I mean till the exam. Okay, take light food, that's it. And the next thing is, this is a thing that to be followed in the exam hall. See, mostly students will feel anxious, stressed. With this thing, they are not able to see the question paper effectively. So they might feel stuck with 1 or 2 questions that will be impacting throughout the paper, throughout the exam time. So what I suggest you is, first be calm. Okay, if you feel anything like anxious or stressed, just keep your pen aside and close your eyes for 5 seconds, not 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Okay, take a deep breath. Again, go to the next question. Just leave it, go to the next question. Like that, if you go through any previous paper also, you can easily score 300 marks with just basic approaches. See, everyone who are sitting here are scored almost 980 marks, 960 marks, 950 marks in your IP exam. That means you are already good at your subject. Okay, all the subjects. Okay, now what you need to do? Just solve the questions, every question means every question. Look into the every question. If you know it, answer it. If it is highly difficult, just leave it, go through the next question. Like that, even if you observe 24 paper, 25 paper, even 25 paper is hard, if you observe the questions, at least 300 marks you can get just by looking at the basic questions. It means if you observe every question given in the paper, if you see all 180 questions, you can easily score 300 plus marks with very basics, that whatever you studied in 8th class, 9th class or 10th class or intermediate level. Okay, so be with that kind of approach. Okay, don't lose hope by looking at 2-3 questions which are difficult at the beginning itself. Okay, so give your 100% till the last question. Okay, this is the first thing. See, now you are scoring 300 marks with very basic questions, means you just need to add 100 more marks or 150 more marks with your mindset and with your concepts. That's it now. So work on this during the exam. Okay, completely go with a positive attitude only. Okay, no negativity till the exam over. Okay, that's it. So this is about the things that you need to follow during your NEET 2026 exam. So if you have any doubts, you can ask us. No doubts? Okay, so all the best. Give your best. Yes.
Okay, so I'm not going to talk too much. Okay, so one thing is go with the basic formulas and see the questions, like pick out the questions, what are the questions we can able to do. For example, like I have told, the units and dimensions and kinematics parts, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, and then if you see in class 12th of electricity, electrostatics, so and then go for the optics and then the modern physics. Okay, so pick out the questions and then choose the easiest question from that. Okay, and one more main thing is, even in physics or chemistry, okay, see the dimensions, like units and dimensions for each and every options. So they might give the numerical same but dimension might be different. Okay, so sometimes you can get confused between that. So see the dimension and mark the answer correctly. Okay, and for elimination purpose, no, like if you are guessing something, so try to eliminate at least two options, one or two options, then go for the options for guessing. So don't guess randomly and avoid the negative marking. So your mark, like your question should be accuracy, like whatever you are answering, that should be accuracy, no negative marking should be there. If you are attending at least 10 question also, no issues, but there should not be any negative mark. Okay, so even a 1 mark or 2 mark may vary your ranks, as I told, right? So this is about from myself. So all the best for your exam. Okay.
Hello all. Good morning. As sir said, madam said about the tips and strategies. It's the same strategy for every subject, whether it is botany, zoology, chemistry, physics. So go through the topics what you have covered, what you have learned in the classes. Go through the topics only. Don't go beyond. And coming to this zoology part, what we discussed, just revise all the things with examples only. And one thing I want to tell, just read the questions carefully. Read the questions carefully, whether they are asking incorrect one, correct one, because so many students they are asking, sir, this is wrong statement, but that is only the right statement, because they don't see the question carefully. They asked incorrect and correct one, right? So read the questions carefully. Don't be nervous. Don't be tension, right? So that thing I want to tell. Yeah, according to coming to this assertion and reasoning questions, so generally they ask assertion will be right and the reason also will be right, but there will be no correct explanation of that assertion. So that time you have to go very calm and you have to think whether it is linked or not linked. If it is linked only, then you have to choose it is correct explanation of here. I already told in concepts, right, how it is linked. If one assertion came, means how the reason is linked to that assertion. So that thing you have to choose very carefully. Sometimes we'll think it is reason is correct explanation, but there is one point, according to that point it will not correct reason. So you have to think according to the NTA exam point of view. See, most in competitive exam, what is the strategy is, they have to give the NTA people, they give the questions like you have to choose wrong option only. That how they eliminate all the student in the ranks. So you have to think this question will be the answer, how the answer will be. So answer will be not simple, answer will be not too much difficult. So you have to think according to what answer will be the right. So how the answer will be the right, how, why the options are wrong for this question. So just think slow and calm and don't be nervous, don't eat your hands, everything, just be in the safe mode, right? So finally, all the best. And this is not the end of the all exams. So we have so many exams after NEET also we have. So right, but focus on NEET. That is your ultimate goal. That is your main goal, right? So focus on this exam, right? So thank you everyone, right?
Okay, okay. Good morning, everyone. So subject wise, they have told very well. So I'll just tell general tips itself. So once you go to the exam center, you'll be seeing all kind of students, parents, everyone. First thing is you should not get scared. Okay, looking at all those people, you should have belief in your preparation. Just go to the exam hall calmly, and while doing the inspection there, if some people will be rude in some centers, you should not get disturbed by that. What you are going to attend the exam, focus only on that. Okay, and one more thing, first thing, when you get the paper, what you should do, first 5 minutes skim through the paper. Why? Because you will understand whatever the questions that has come. Okay, you will understand. Just skim through the paper. Not asking you to read the paper. Just skim through the questions. What are the questions that are there? Because most of the cases, what happens is one question answer will be in some other question. Sometimes there are high chances. So you will understand what are the topics they have asked. You will observe the shock. Suppose you don't know some topic has come, that will be in the back of the mind. Until you reach that question, you may get that concepts. So just go through the question paper once for 5 minutes. That is highly useful. And after that, once you start answering the question, most importantly, look for the options. While solving the question, always keep the option in mind. This is not IPA exam to get the exact answer below. While solving in between only, you may get answer sometimes. Okay, you need not do all the steps. So while solving, you have to get answer as per the options. So I'm talking about physics and chemistry. Okay, when it comes to botany, zoology or whatever, so you have to do what? Focus on the high yielding topics that are there, revise that. In the last 2 days, most of you are going home. Don't go to YouTube and see cheat codes, all these things. That they are not going to help you. Don't watch any new topic in the YouTube. You want to watch means watch our classes which are done, because it will become a revision, because already those classes you have heard. So if you watch the same class, it will become a revision. If you watch some other class, no, it will be again studying something new. That is not going to help you. Revision is the only thing that will help you to score some more marks in last 2 days. If you're studying something new, that's not going to help you. And one more thing is, see, the options which you see in physics or chemistry or even in botany, zoology, sometimes they'll be contradictory to each other. Then what you should do, go for the questions. As per the question which is suitable, you go for that. And also, if they have given a, in the subject, if the question is in the positive connotation, okay, then option should also be in positive connotation. The option cannot be negative. Okay, using that way also you can eliminate the options. So కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్కి సబ్జెక్ట్ లేకపోతే లాజిక్తో కొట్టేయండి అంతే. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్ వర్డ్ టు ఆల్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్. అందరం చెప్పింది ఒకటే పాయింట్, డిఫరెంట్గా చెప్పినాం. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్యారీ, అదైతే క్లియర్గా ఉంది కదా. ఓకే, ఇన్ అ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ కవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్. ఓకే, బికాస్ ఇట్ విల్ గెట్ వెట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ స్వెట్ అండ్ ఆల్. యూ విల్ బీ, ఎంత కూల్గా ఉందామన్నా ఆ మూమెంట్లో టెన్షన్ వస్తుంది, హ్యాండ్స్ అన్నీ వెట్ అయిపోతాయి. సో టేక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ కవర్, అడ్మిట్ కార్డ్, ఐడి ప్రూఫ్, పాస్పోర్ట్ సైజ్ ఫోటో 2 or 3, and pen, transparent pen, water bottle. This, like this water bottle you have to carry, no matter what bottles. When it comes to subject, I advise all of you to revise cell biology, plant physiology, human physiology, genetics, both the chapters, biotechnology in detail. And then you go for core botany and core zoology chapters, because from this area only 60% of your paper will be covered. Okay, so be strong and confident. As sirs also explained, like when it comes to multi-statement questions and assertion reason questions, you'll get confused. Need not to confuse, decode every statement. Okay, question paper pen manam carry chese dan mida workout cheyadanike. Okay, don't keep it plain. You can work out on the question paper. Okay, work out on it, decode it, do it properly, and whatever subject inputs are given by the faculties, please take it. And ఎగ్జామ్ ఎలా అవుతుంది, ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్కి ముందు చాలామంది చదువుతున్నారు, రివైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు, అవన్నీ చూసి డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వద్దు. అండ్ యాజ్ సర్ సెట్స్, వెన్ దే ఆర్ స్క్రూటినైజింగ్ యూ, ఓకే, ఫ్యూ పీపుల్ మే బీ రూడ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద population at the exam center. They have to check everybody. Okay, and to whoever are wearing the religious attires and all, go little front, because you will be scrutinized. Okay, so you will be checked properly and you will also be relieved. Their work also will be done smoothly. Okay, so be as calm as possible, as cool as possible. Okay, and you don't distract anyone, anybody should not distract you. That should be the motto. That's all.
And one last thing is about OMR filling. This is main thing first of all. See, most of the students whoever attempted the papers here, I mean exams, so we have observed some people are choosing multiple options for one particular question. For example, for 45th question you have attempted, mean you have ticked in the OMR, and when you are answering for 46th question, by mistakenly you are again bubbling the same 45th question only. This is the thing most of the students have faced here, I think so. Okay, please avoid this first, because every question is very important for us. If you do like that, 2 questions you are going to make the mistakes. Okay, this is the main thing to avoid. Okay, and also just look, every time when you are bubbling, you just check the question number. This is the main thing. And the next thing is bubble it very clearly. Don't bubble it half or partially or just sticking. Don't do like that. Just make it completely filled. That's it.
Don't take a thick ballpoint pen. Use a light
Yes.
pen so that you can bubble easily.
Yes, yes.
And don't roll out like this when you are writing the exam, because OMR will be bubbled unevenly. Somewhere and here dots and marks will be there. Okay. Make it as clean sheet as possible. Your bubbling should be very clear. Okay. Question number and bubbling mark should be very clear. Okay.
Yeah.
సో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా రాంగ్ మార్క్ చేసి సో అది మళ్ళీ అలా అవాయిడ్ చేయండి ఓకేనా. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ ఇస్ డోంట్ మార్క్ ది ఓఎంఆర్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. లైక్ వన్స్ యూ కంప్లీట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నో, then see the paper, once you see the answers whatever you have marked in the question paper, and then go for the marking of the OMRs. So don't go in between, okay. If you mark in between, no, obviously you will get confused, okay. And last at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes check the answers whatever you have done, okay.
Few students will be going with the sequence. First నుండి లాస్ట్ వరకు మార్క్ చేసుకున్నామా, and then they'll start bubbling. There is no issue on following such sequence patterns, but be clear on the question numbers what you are bubbling. అన్నీ ప్రాపర్గా చూసి డాట్ పెట్టుకున్నాక బబుల్ చేయండి, ఓకే. ఫర్ సపోజ్ హియర్ ABCD like that you have marked. Here also you don't go on the same sequence. Look at the question number and bubble, though you are going on the sequence, okay. Anything is yet to there, you are open to ask the questions.
See, if you have seen, there is something like acknowledgement form. I mean, along with your admit card, there will be something to sign. You just check your admit card first. Go through the instructions. Okay? Yeah. Do you have any admit cards?
Anybody having admit card is good.
No issues, like the last right corner left corner లాగా ఉంటుంది.
So you do signature in the
Going there, yeah,
after
after
going there only. But if anything else to do, I mean, having photocopy, I mean, to attach any photo, that thing you do here itself. Okay, before
Admit
you
card, they will be clearly mentioning you have
Yes.
where, at what points you have to sign there, at what points you have to sign there in the exam.
Yes, yes.
See, అలా డౌట్
In
ఉంది అంటే కూడా
invigilator's presence. So ఇక్కడ సైన్ చేయాలనుకున్న మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ సైన్ చేయాలి. ఇన్విజిలేటర్ ప్రెజెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకే సార్. దట్స్ ఆల్.
and if you're having doubt also, like take a glue with you after going there, then you can paste it. ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేసి మనం తీసుకోవాలి అనే డౌట్ ఉంటే ఓకేనా. సో బెటర్ క్యారీ అ గ్లూ ఆల్సో,
Okay.
and don't use color pens, okay.
Take only blue or black.
Black. Only blue or black.
Only blue or black.
So most go with blue, okay.
Done. So all the best.